All right, Thanksgiving is literally right around the corner, so I'm going to show you quickly a different way to prepare your turkey that I think is actually a little bit easier and cooks better than roasting the whole thing on the bone. So what do we do here? I took the turkey breast. These are 2 turkey breasts off the bone, and this is the thigh and the leg. All right, thigh and leg intact. We remove the bone. We remove some of the tendons. Same thing with the breast. I stuffed it with some roasted oyster mushrooms and shallots and fresh thyme and rosemary and all kinds of good stuff and some Dijon mustard, which I'm going to do just like that. We season it with salt and pepper on the inside, a little bit of squeeze of Dijon, right, get it in there. I'm going to take some of that mushroom mixture. Okay, then we're just going to roll it over like a roulade. I'm going to tie it up. It'll cook evenly and delicious, and you'll be able to slice it beautifully. Stay tuned. So we got these ready to go. They're nice and tied up. We got them on a roasting rack, so they're going to be elevated so that hot air is going to go all around them. If you want to, of course, you can put some mirepoix, celery, onions, and carrots underneath these to help with the gravy. About 45 minutes to an hour until they're golden brown. About 45 minutes at 375 degrees. Perfect golden brown. Let them rest so all those juices evenly redistribute. Check them with the thermometer. Should be about 145, 150. They'll carry over cooking and you're good to go.